Welcome to Wisdom Academy. Without cultivating the view of the nature of reality, one cannot make any progress on the path. So the cultivation of the view of nature of reality is aimed at cultivating wisdom. One of the advantage of presenting and following a course like this on nature of reality according to the four schools is the ability and the opportunity to really engage with key ideas and arguments and insights and tenets of the great Buddhist masters such as Nagarjuna, Asanga, Vasubandhu, and Dharmakirti and Dignaga. In this course, since it is meant also for practitioners to bring the view into one's own meditative cultivation and have that view inform your everyday behavior and your perspective on the world, I also bring together how to unite the wisdom with emptiness and how your view needs to be cultivated through a process to integrate into your very way of seeing the world, and how that culmination of that inquiry process can result in the realization of emptiness. If you are a serious Buddhist, and if you're serious about enlightenment, and if you're serious about engaging in something that would give rise to an enduring transformation of your mind, this is the course for you. Chanju Simcho